We all know that YouTubers are always promoting stuff, including me of course, but there are some YouTubers that are promoting their products. I'm not saying the packaging is bad, but I think there's a room for improvement, you know what I'm saying? So in this video, I'll be improving YouTubers' food packaging. Not only I'll be improving the packaging, I'll also be inventing some new freaky combinations. First up, we have Mr. Beast Feastables. Mr. Beast, if you're watching this, please send me $50. So, Feastables. I'm thinking of combining chocolate and watermelon and naming it Chocomelon Rush. I know it's too freaky, but it's only gonna get even more freaky. So I have this image with a sports car and wavy lines to give it a sense of movement and rush. Then just slap the logo here, make a big rectangular shape, and for some reason I want to add melons before writing out the flavor. Place one here, 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 and there. Then add a motion blur to make them look like they are falling. Now the flavor. And one more watermelon. Now that we have our melons, let's add the chocolate. I was still like an artist using the magic wand and abracadabra. Next up, we have Mr. Ryan Trahan's Joyride, a candy with natural ingredients. So we have a potato chip bag that I'm about to do freaky things.
What do you mean by that?
For a good reason, of course. Edit the smart object, place this gorgeous green triangle as the background. We need the logo, therefore I stole this and get rid of the evidence. Now it's looking like it was never stolen. We obviously need something like a parallelogram. Make it gorgeous and impregnate it with flavor text. Ashkarine more text on the bottom left and the right corner. The design is too much on the bottom, so let's resize it and raise it up a little bit and add more text on the impregnation of the parallelogram. I'm done adding the text, but the packaging feels empty, like there is no joy in it. To fix this, let's add Mr. Joyride himself. I can't add him as a human, so I will have to cartoonize him. So let's do that real quick.
2 hours later.
After a few hours of ashkarining the cartoon level, this is what I ended up with. Yeah, this looks like shit. Maybe some outlining will fix this.
2 hours later.
This looks promising. Maybe if I make the mouth and tongue more vibrant. It's starting to look like a real cartoon. Let's continue with the outline level and his nest that has no birds. It's done, but I'm still not satisfied. So what can we add next? Why don't you add the lines to represent movement for the right and make it yellow to represent joy? Yes, that's it. I'm also going to make it blue to make it gorgeous.
2 hours later.
So after a few hours of ashkarining the line level, we have the new gorgeous Joyride packaging. I got you, Ryan. You can have it for free. Last, we have Logan Paul and KSI's Prime. This is going to be tricky, not freaky. I mean, I trust my design skills and all, but I've searched the interwebs for hours and I couldn't find a free PSD mockup for Prime. So I'll have to blend the design with this. So let's start the design with a sexy green. I know this is a hydration drink, but I'm going for an energetic vibe and put the logo here. I don't like this white outline, so I'm gonna change into blue and accidentally make the background even more gorgeous and put energy, more energy. The design is now energetic, but there is no text saying so. Therefore, let's add a texture saying hydration drink for marketing purposes, of course. We have the design and all, but you are still missing the flavor. So let's add something freaky. Something like a charged grapefruit. Now let's ruin the sexy design by blending it with this thing that looks like, I don't know what it looks like, but yeah, it's ruined. Let's try to add some shadows to fix it. Yeah,